How to fix TikTok video upload failed. So to fix the TikTok video failures, you could start by checking your internet connection. So go to settings on your device. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet. You could also switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi or maybe cellular data as well. That should be able to help. Next, you could also powering your phone off, back and on, and clear a minor technical glitch as well. Next, you also want to ensure you're updated the TikTok app to the latest version. So tap on the search bar, type in TikTok on the search, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. After which, you could also go ahead and tap open the TikTok onto your device. There, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select the profile at the very bottom. There you have the menu bar and go to settings and privacy. And then you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for these three lines. Over here, you just want to make sure to go to settings and privacy. Here, you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for these privacy sections. Over here, you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for free of speech, or you could just be able to find it over here, clear cache and all that. So this is how you will be able to fix TikTok video upload field. So this way you'll be able to fix. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.